Welcome back, guys. This is Decelation. We got Brian here.
What's going on, peeps?
And we're working on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. So, last video you guys saw, we got it started. And trust me, I would love to be driving it right now, but the rear brakes don't work. That's a problem. So, we're going to replace the rear brake calipers because these are the original calipers that came with this rear end that has 135,000 miles in it. So it might not have been in the best of condition. So we're gonna get that going, and then we're gonna do the last little cleanup things before we actually try and take this down the road. You excited, Brian?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. So yeah, we get the first go-kart in. Yes!
I'm excited.
Masha's excited.
There might be seats in this car soon, guys. Might be seats in the car.
They'll just be sitting in there. We're not bolting them down. Gotta live a little dangerously. Now I just want to make sure the body fits perfectly before I try and bolt the seats down, because the body does kind of intrude a little bit into the cabin, and I don't want to mess that up. So yes, but
and you got the bug coil, so that's the most important thing.
Yeah,
yes. Oh, shout out to the MVP Masha over here. She, I don't know. We live in mosquito capital. Well, second mosquito capital. But these little coil things right here are amazing.
And you can get them from the Dollar Tree store.
Yes.
So they're $1 for 4 coils. You can't beat that.
MVP right here. MVP. So yes. So we're gonna put you guys on a time lapse and watch us change the calipers. And you want to race?
No.
No, we're not gonna race, but we're gonna get these changed out. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So you just saw my man Brian over here go through the champion bleeding, and I just made sure the reservoir was full. The little job. But we both did change a caliper, so.
And you managed not to spill 2 quarts of brake fluid on the floor this time.
Hey now, keep the gloves up. I did learn my lesson. Last time was very, very brutal. That was a mess. That was a big mess. So now, what we got to do is, one, unfortunately, the part that everyone hates, but we got to clean this garage up because I don't want to run the risk of running over something or missing something. So we got to get the garage nice and clean so we can start it, run through some run the transmission without any load on it, because now I can stop the rear wheels. I don't have to worry about the engine overspeeding itself. So yeah, that was fun. All right, ready, Brian?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's get it done.
Let's kick this pig.
All right. Yeah, let's kick this pig. I like it. Welcome back, guys. So we got the garage kind of clean. It doesn't look much cleaner, but the tools are put away, and more importantly, we made sure everything is out of the way so we don't puncture the wheels. So it's sitting on the ground. The FiTech ECU is on. Brian, what time is it?
It's time for a drive.
It is time for its first test drive, baby. And I won't go far in case we got to push it back. All right.
Sounds like a plan.
All right. So I'm gonna hand the camera to Brian, and then I'm gonna toss on the view so you guys gonna see two angles of this baby.
I'm not chasing them down the road.
Now, gentlemen, hold on to your butts. Whew. All right, I was smelling fuel, so I definitely shut it down. Whew. Alrighty. Yeah, definitely was leaking fuel. Don't want to mess with that. So we're gonna push it back for right now. I'll catch you guys in the next update when we find the fuel leak. think I saw a little bit of fuel going down the side of the head. Huh? Oh, thank you. How's it going?
Where are you going?
Just right down that street right there. I appreciate it. It still works and everything, but I smelled a fuel leak and I'd rather not catch up on fire.
It's funny because me and Brett just bought a 71 Monte Carlo
Oh, nice.
that we stuffed in this garage here. And
Oh.
the fuel pump's leaking sometimes. And that's where we're just like,
Yeah.
we want to get that fixed. We want to go to some shows. And I said, I don't want to go pull up to a show, cigars and cars
Yeah.
with the fuel leak.
Oh, no.
We're with you. That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
it does, so.
I was like, let me shut this
Now,
down.
what is this, though?
You ever heard of Factory 5? They build, they famous for Cobra replicas.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, so this is a 35 hot rod truck, so this is like a 35 replica truck.
Gotcha. So you got the bed and stuff.
Yeah, the body is in the garage.
Right.
How's it going? Dude, a fireball came out of this thing. Not playing. Another fuel leak, so I can shut it down.
Oh, where's it leaking out from now?
I saw it coming down the side of the head again.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're welcome.
Did you run out of gas?
No, we have a fuel leak, so I turned it off.
Oh.
Welcome back, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was awesome. I mean, yeah, you saw me having to shut it down at the end because we did have a fuel leak. That same spot that we had a fuel leak at before, I think is just this angle. We need to adjust the angle for that fuel line. So I'm gonna get more fuel line in. We will figure it out. Brian's got an idea, and he's the man that does all the plumbing, and he's done pretty fucking good. So we're gonna leave him to it. But yeah, other than that, it ran very well, even considering it was like a very light light throttle that I was putting in and everything. It was like peppy, as you guys saw. Oh man, so I can't wait until this is fully auto-tuned. This is gonna be a monster. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching my videos. If you like content like this, we're gonna keep it coming, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below, tell me what you like and what you didn't like. And Brian, any words of wisdom for today?
No, I think we're all good for today. I don't have anything good to say.
I
don't have anything snappy and
witty. Brian doesn't have anything witty to say. I will say, the only thing I have to say is I'm happy. Thank you guys. Have a good one.